Hi everyone, I am Doris Oluwatoyin Akintewe. I am the anchor of Kilefededa, a Yoruba program where we deal with stylistics, learning Yoruba language, and bringing the Yoruba language close to everyone, home and abroad. We're going to be doing something special today, which is learning the Yoruba language. Wow, it's interesting to know that you can learn to speak Yoruba language from where you are, home or abroad. I bet you're going to love it. It's going to be very simple. People can make bold to say Yoruba is one of the simplest languages in the world because why? You can write it as perceived. If you provided you learned their alphabet, then you'll be able to put it down into writing. Fún àǹfààní gbogbo àwọn tí wọ́n bá mi bọ̀ látàárọ̀ Kilefededa náà lẹ́ ń wò lọ́wọ́lọ́wọ́ Doris Oluwatoyin Akintewe náà lórúkọ mi. Ohun tí à ń ṣe ní orí ètò lónìí ni a fẹ́ kọ́ àwọn ènìyàn nípa èdè Yorùbá ní kíkọ àti ní sísọ. Ẹ máa bá wa ká lọ. I remember while we were younger, we just came to school. Somebody like me, maybe I didn't like school, maybe. Okay, but we had to learn A, B, C, D. That's the alphabet of English language. I would start with the alphabet of Yoruba language, and it is called Álífábẹ Èdè Yoruba. Èdè there is language. Yoruba is constant. So Yoruba alphabet is Álífábẹ Yoruba, but alphabet of Yoruba language is Álífábẹ Èdè Yoruba. You can watch the screen. I'm going to put the right up there soon. I'm just going to try. Okay, phonetics. Is it phonetics? Okay, phonetics. Yoruba would not say A, they will say A. Let me just read it at a go, then I'm going to show you. A, B, D, A, F, G, B. That sounds like something just very heavily landed on the floor. P, E, G, K, L, M, N, O, P. It's not P. P, R, C, Sh, T, U, W, J. Okay, so when I say it, just say it after me. A, B, D, A, F, G, B. Can I hear you say that again? B. Alright, let's do that again. A, B, D, A, F, G, B. Did you notice that A and L look so similar? They are both E's in English language, but one has a dot underneath. Alright, and that is the difference. Every language has their rules, and in Yoruba, that is just a rule. Of course, you get to understand better when we start doing examples using the alphabet in the language. Okay, so let's start again. A, B, D, A, F, G, B. Okay, so he, E, one is heavier. He, E, G, it's not G, it's G, K, L, M, N, O. If you look at it again, O and O sound similar. I mean, they look similar rather. They look similar because they are both O, but that also has a dot underneath. Alright, so O, O, P, pupa, apu, apu, apu for the Igbo people. Apu, oporoko, 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 pi, pi, ri, si, si. I knew a lot of you were wondering why is there no C in Yoruba language, alright? We have C, but it's not written as C in English. That is how we write our C. C, si, she, ti, we, ji. That's it. Those are the alphabets in Yoruba. Altogether, Álífábẹ èdè Yoruba. They are 25. Wow! That is all you need to know about writing of Yoruba language. And I bet you, if you can rehearse this as written on the screen, you're just on your way to being an expert. Yes, I just said expert. Alright. It's right about now we're going to be having a dictation. I'm going to give us just 3 words. Oh, 3 words. 3 words to spell using Yoruba. Álífábẹ. Don't forget, it's called Álífábẹ. Okay, we're going to spell busy. You're going to spell tailor. You're going to spell favor. Okay, so let's try it. BC is going to be B, E, C, and E. Right. Tailor. T, A, L, O. That is tailor. These are not the English spelling. I hope you understand. So just use the screen. You're going to understand it. So the last one is favor. All right. Anyways, though in Yoruba language there is no V, and then we can always use something that sounds similar. V is a counterpart sound of Fi, which is F in English. All right. So we're going to do Fi, A, Fi, O. That's favor in Yoruba language. Okay, let's try this. Let's try this on our own. I'll be right back. Please do the classworks, spell a lot of things, and get back to me. You can send me a mail on dorisakintewe@gmail.com,